Welcome to Chat Agents, where you can 10x your work without lifting a finger. Chat agents adapt to changes in your workspace, automatically answering questions and taking action based on your requests. For example, you can ask agents to look for docs or tasks that you might have misplaced, like this OKR planning doc, which the agent finds instantly. A sales rep might also ask, "One of my customers missed the webinar. Does anyone know where the recording is posted?" And it'll go ahead and fetch the link for you. ClickUp also comes with ready-to-use chat agents, so you can start automating right away. There's the Answers agent, which instantly responds to questions like, "What was discussed in the last roadmap meeting?" A lot, as it turns out. Then there's the Reminders agent, which keeps your team on track with automated nudges, like this one. Finally, there's the Team StandUp agent, which gathers daily updates from your team. Looks like I did quite a bit of work here. If you want something more specific though, like an HR knowledge agent, you can build your own in just a few steps. First, click the Add New Agent button and you'll see a setup window to define your agent's behavior. In agent conditions, we can say that we only want this to trigger when the question is related to company policies and HR topics. Then we can go ahead and add custom instructions to guide its tone and responses. I'll just paste my prompt right here, but you could totally tweak this to your liking. Then what's cool is you can choose which parts of your workspace it should pull information from. Since this is an HR knowledge agent, this would be a great time for you to pull in your employee handbook or team wiki documents so that the agent knows exactly where to zero in on. If your documentation happens to live somewhere else though, like a different app, you can also choose which integrations your agent will pull information from as well. Now, down here at the bottom, you can see that agents always provide responses, but you can totally supercharge the answers that you get with additional tools. For example, you can have the agent create tasks for a backlog, or assign messages of a certain kind to a product manager. And you can even generate images of what posted ideas could look like with just a click. In this case, I can ask it to create a backlog task if the question doesn't have an answer in the team wiki. This is so that our team can make updates to include this topic in the future. There's so much more to explore here, but let's check out what our agent looks like in action. Since I have a trip coming up, I can ask, "Hey, what are our paid holidays?" And the agent will look through our team wiki documentation to tell me which ones are coming up. And if I ask, "What's the process for getting a laptop replacement?" it won't really have that information, so it'll then create this backlog task for my team to work on. So what do you say? Give chat agents a shot. Worst case scenario, you save a ton of time.